I remember my friend Sam used to say, I wish I could be my own boss. He believed that starting a business was a far off dream, something only a privileged few could do. But when he finally took the plunge, his life transformed. The journey wasn't easy, but the freedom, the creativity, and the impact he now has are undeniable. Starting a business is one of the most fulfilling decisions that you can make. Imagine building something from the ground up, a product or service that adds value to people's lives. Yes, it's challenging, but what isn't? You're investing in your vision, your passion, and ultimately your future. It's about creating opportunities not just for yourself, but for others too. When you step into the world of business, you realize it's more than just making money. It's about solving problems, learning, and growing. So let's dive into how you can start a business from scratch. Whether you have the groundbreaking idea or just the determination to succeed, you'll discover that starting a business is not only possible but also rewarding. Step 1. Defining your business idea. Think about this. What is a business without a clear idea? It's like trying to bake a cake without knowing the ingredients. Your business idea is the foundation of your venture. Start by identifying a problem that you're passionate about solving. It doesn't have to be revolutionary, it just needs to be relevant. For instance, think about the local coffee shop that thrives because it provides a cozy place to connect, or the app that simplifies grocery shopping. What these businesses have in common is a clear understanding of their purpose. Begin with what you know, your skills, interests, and experiences. Maybe you love fitness and notice a gap in your community for affordable personal training services. Or perhaps you're great at crafting and see potential in creating unique handmade gifts. Once you have an idea, ask yourself, does this solve a real problem? Who is my target audience? And what value can I provide that others don't? A solid business idea is the compass that will guide your journey, so take time to define it with clarity and purpose. Step 2. Conducting market research. Now imagine opening a cafe only to realize the area already has 10 others, all offering better coffee at lower prices. This is where market research saves the day. It's not just about knowing your competition, but understanding your potential customers. What do they want? What do they need? What are they willing to pay for? Start by looking at the industry trends. What's growing? What's declining? Dive into online tools like Google Trends or social media or market research reports to gather that data. Talk to people, potential customers, industry experts, even friends and family. Create surveys, ask questions, and listen carefully. The goal is to uncover gaps in the market that your business can fill. For example, if you're planning to sell eco-friendly products, find out if the people in your area are actually interested in sustainable living. Market research is the bridge between your idea and reality, and skipping this step is like walking blindfolded into a battlefield. Step 3. Creating a business plan. Picture a ship setting sail without a map. It's doomed to drift aimlessly. Your business plan is that map. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps that you'll take to achieve them. Start with an executive summary. What is your business and why does it exist? Then move on to a detailed description of your product or service. Highlight what makes it unique. Next, outline your marketing plan. How will you reach your customers? Will you use social media, email campaigns, or partnerships? Then think about your operations. Where will you work and what tools or systems will you need? Finally, focus on your financial plan. Estimate your costs, revenue, and profit margins. How much money do you need to start and where will it come from? Will you bootstrap, seek investors, or apply for a loan? A well thought out business plan doesn't just guide you, it also attracts investors and builds confidence in your venture. Step 4. Understanding legalities and finances. Here's the not so glamorous part of starting a business, but no one can ignore it. Legal and financial setups are the backbone of your operations. First, you need to decide on a business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor, form a partnership, or register a company? Each comes with its own tax implications and responsibilities. Register your business name and make sure it's unique. Check if you need licenses or permits to operate legally. And next, set up a business bank account to separate personal and business finances. Trust me, mixing them up is a recipe for disaster. Learn about taxes in your region, Do you need to collect sales tax? How will you report income? Finally, consider hiring an accountant or using accounting software to keep track of your finances. While it might seem tedious, getting these aspects right from the start saves you a world of headaches later. Step 5. Funding your business. Let's face it, starting a business often requires money, but don't let the lack of it stop you. First, calculate your startup costs. Include everything: equipment, inventory, marketing, and even your personal expenses for the first few months. Then explore funding options. If you have savings, great. If not, consider small business loans, grants, or crowdfunding. You could even find an angel investor or venture capitalist if your idea has high growth potential. Bootstrapping is another popular option. Start small, reinvest profits, and grow gradually. Keep in mind, every funding option has pros and cons. For example, loans need to be repaid with interest, while investors might expect equity in your business. Be strategic and choose what aligns with your goals. Remember, even the biggest companies started small. What matters is taking that first step. Step 6. Building your brand. Think of your favorite brand. What makes it memorable? Is it the logo, the colors, the slogan, or the experience? Branding is more than just visuals. It's how people perceive your business. Start with a name that's easy to remember and reflects your values. Design a logo that's simple yet distinctive. Next, define your brand voice. Are you professional, playful, or inspiring? Sure, this tone comes through in your website, social media, and customer interactions. Building brand also means creating a consistent experience for your audience. Whether it's your packaging, customer service, or emails, newsletters, everything should scream you. Branding isn't just for big companies. It's the identity of your business, and it's what will set you apart in a crowded market. Step 7. Marketing and reaching your audience. Imagine shouting into the void. This is what marketing without strategy feels like. To succeed, you need to reach the right people at the right time. Start by identifying your target audience. Where do they hang out online? What are their interests? Then choose your marketing channels. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting you with your audience. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn offer targeted ads that can reach millions. Content marketing like blogs, videos, or podcasts builds trust and authority. Email marketing keeps your audience engaged with updates, offers, and tips. Don't forget the power of word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences. Remember, marketing is not just about selling, it's about building relationships and providing value. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they'll choose you over competitors. Step 8. Launching your business. The day has come. It's time to launch your business. This is your moment to shine. But it's also a test of your preparation. Plan your launch with care. Will you host an event, run an online campaign, or offer special promotions? Announce your launch date on social media and start building excitement. Reach out to friends, family, and early supporters to spread the word. Never stop learning, whether it's through books, courses, or mentors. Remember, growth is not just about scaling up. It's about creating a lasting impact. Your business is your legacy, so build it with care, passion, and perseverance.